At Vukani Mafrica, we are not just producing chickens, but we're building a better continent for Africans. With a good perspective on history, we can have a better understanding of the past and the present, and thus a clear vision for the future. Vukani Chicken Factory is a facility where domesticated birds such as chickens are processed from slaughter to packaging for sales. Our chicken factory will supply to our stores in different malls around South Africa. Secure a bright future for you and your loved ones by investing in Vukani Mafrica Chicken Factory from as little as 6,000. The benefits of investing with Vukani Mafrica. You can only do a once-off payment, no meeting held, since your money is with us. Shares remain yours, and should anything happens to you, you can pass them to a beneficiary of your choice. We at Vukani Mafrica are responsible for Vukani Chicken Factory. You can claim your payout starting from 2025 every year in November. I'm sure you're asking yourself how this is done. Well, it's simple. Call us on 011-219-7060 or 7067, or find us in all our social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. It's at Vukani_Mafrica_investment. LinkedIn, it's a Vukani Mafrica group, or simply WhatsApp us on 061-741-6419. And one of our friendly consultants will be happy to guide you through all the journey of being a successful Vukani Mafrica investor. You can also check our website at www.vukanimafrica.co.za. And once you are done, you will receive a reference number to make a deposit for your application. Asivukeni ma-Afrika amahle, sivuse i-Afrika yethu. And remember, it's more than just an investment.